Thankful for the gift I have, for the blessings I receive. Cause I know, say, na Jehovah help me. Even on the worst days, nothing will pull me down.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ella and I'm glad you tuned in. Today is just a short video tutorial that I found. Apparently there's a way to revive your wigs and your weaves. Can you imagine? Why didn't no one tell me that? But yeah, I'm always spending money getting new wigs or new waves if the shampoo can't bring it back to life. In the next video you would see up, down, somewhere next, I don't know what I'll do, but yeah, you should see a picture with the before and after of my wig. So this is just a short prep on what I did, and I hope you like it. If you like it, you can apply it to your wigs and your weaves so it looks brand new and you don't have to spend more money getting a new one. Why am I doing the hand movements? But yeah, thank you. Bye.
Okay, so let's just get right into it. All you should need for this video is an old pot or a bowl. I used a pot because that's what I saw in the tutorial that I first saw this wig revival on. So you need that. You need a stirrer, you need your silicone mix, any shampoo and conditioner of your choice, and obviously the wig or weave you are trying to restore. Okay, so the next thing I did was just to pour, just straight from the tap anyways. I just got some water to match the size of my wig. Obviously, if you've got a longer length of wig or weave, you probably want to add more water. And I let that boil for like a few minutes until I thought it was hot enough. Then, obviously, I did apply the silicone mix. I sort of like stirred it into the water until I thought it was like smooth enough. Like if you can see, it was quite lumpy. But yeah, if you just stir it, just keep stirring it, and then it goes creamy like this. And obviously, when I saw that there was no lumps anymore, you'd want to then add your extensions, wig or weave inside the bowl or your hot pot, boiling pot of water. Okay, so when you're adding your wig or weave, you want to sort of like gradually do this because the water is quite hot and you don't really want to sort of burn your closure. As you can see how I held on to my file or stirrer, whatever you've got. You just want to sort of secure your lace so it doesn't tear, and if you can put that bit last. That's how I did mine so I didn't burn it. But yeah, after this bit, after the whole hoo-ha with the hot water or the boiling water, what I literally did was just let my wig sit inside the hot water for 30 minutes just so the wig soaks up the silicone mix and it sort of cooled down. And yeah, after 30 minutes, I just went straight into washing it. You can obviously use any shampoo or conditioner of your choice, but I will put the conditioner and shampoo that I use. I prefer to use ones for like bleached or dyed hair because I like to bleach and dye my wig, wigs, and even my natural hair quite often. I don't know why I do that, but yeah. So I would put more of the description, but yeah, you get it. I'll put the product details in the description box below. um that's pretty much it really, guys. I let the wig air dry after this wash stage overnight, and yeah, you'd see the after result of it. I was really pleased with it, and I thought that it left my wig feeling revived. It was so knotty before, as you can see. I couldn't put my hands through it, and I just looked like I had a mop on my hair, pretty much. But yeah, try this method out, see if it works for you. If not, just put comments and let me know. But yeah, I liked how mine turned out. My hair it had a bit of smell. The silicone mix had a awful smell. Not too bad, but I didn't particularly like it. But yeah, you can obviously always wash that out with your conditioner, or add more hair shine and spray on it to kill the foul odor. But yeah, as you can see, I can put my hands through my wig now. I thought it left it looking very healthy, fuller than it was before. It looked shinier, it looked neat, and it just had a lot more life. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you do, like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. You know the drill.
Even on the worst days, nothing go fit pull me down. Even if I one shot, I want shoe, yeah. One bag, I want boot, yeah. Me and my own boots, yeah.